You've been holding so much, emotionally, physically, and even after a full night's sleep, it still feels like your body's carrying yesterday. Let's hit the mat. Where your nervous system is overwhelmed, stillness is strength. Come to a kneeling position, knees wide, big toes touching. Gently lower your chest toward the floor, arms reaching out, forehead resting on the mat. Let your breath rise and fall, no force, no rush. I promise this move is how you unlock your ability to pause without guilt. Want less intensity? Place a pillow under your chest or between your hips and heels. Hold for 5 more seconds. Notice how your breath is already shifting. Now that your breath has landed, let's lengthen the body it lives in. This is your permission to surrender the tension you woke up with. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale tall, then exhale as you slowly fold forward from the hips, not your spine. Let your hands rest where they land. You might feel the stretch in your hamstrings or spine, or maybe just peace. I promise this move is how you unlock calm through your nervous system. Tight hamstrings? Bend your knees slightly or sit on a pillow for more ease. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that you softened your spine, let's gently open the hips. Stress often hides in your hips before your mind catches it. Lie on your back, bend both knees, and cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Thread your hands behind your left thigh and gently pull toward you. Feel the stretch deep in your right glute and outer hip. I promise this move is how you unlock tension your body's been silently storing. Can't reach behind your thigh? Keep the bottom foot on the floor and gently press your right knee outward. Do you feel that in your hips yet? That's where the stress has been living. Let's give the other side the same space to breathe. Balance isn't just about strength. It's about giving both sides a voice. Now switch. Left ankle crosses over your right thigh. Gently hug your right leg in. Keep your shoulders soft and jaw relaxed. Breathe into the side that usually goes ignored. I promise this move is how you unlock emotional release through physical stillness. If your knees feel tight, ease up and simply breathe with it. Hold 5 more seconds. Let go of whatever's clinging. Now that your hips have opened, let's release the weight above your shoulders. You weren't meant to carry the world on your neck. So tall or stand and slowly tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Then switch. No force, just gravity doing the work. Let your shoulders drop and your breath stay steady. I promise this move is how you unlock hidden pressure that creeps up into headaches, tension, and fatigue. Want to deepen it? Gently press your opposite hand toward the floor and extend the stretch. We're sealing this in soon. But first, one last release to the edges of your body. Now that your neck is light again, let's unwind through your hands. Even your hands hold stress, and they deserve release too. Extend your right arm straight in front of you, palm up. Use your other hand to gently pull back on your fingers. Switch after 30 seconds, then reverse, palm down, and gently stretch the back of your wrist. I promise this move is how you unlock the grip tension you didn't even know was there. Feeling stiff? Move slowly and take a breath with every pull. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. You've come this far. Stay with me.